Have you ever thought about carrying your iPhone like it's part of your outfit? Apple and Issey Miyake are making that a reality with the new iPhone Pocket, a sleek, playful, and surprisingly versatile way to wear your phone, born from a collaboration between Apple and the legendary Japanese designer. The iPhone Pocket is inspired by the concept of a piece of cloth. It uses a singular 3D wear-upon construction that's designed to fit any iPhone, as well as your pocketable essentials. Think of it as a small wearable bag for your tech, something you can hold, attach to a bag, or wear directly on your body. The design takes cues from Miyake's famous pleats, ribbed, flexible, and functional. When stretched, the open textile subtly reveals what's inside, letting you peek at your iPhone display while keeping it safe. The accessory is designed to expand, holding more than just your phone. It's available in a variety of playful colors. 8 shades for the short strap version and 3 for the long strap. That means you can mix, match, and make it your own. According to Yoshiyuki Miyame from Miyake Design Studio, the iPhone Pocket is all about personal interpretation. It explores the concept of the joy of wearing iPhone in your own way. He said, "The design is intentionally understated, leaving room for creativity while keeping in line with Apple's universal aesthetic. It's not just a phone holder, it's a statement piece." Apple's Vice President of Industrial Design, Molly Anderson, also emphasized how the accessory reflects both brands' philosophy. The iPhone Pocket celebrates craftsmanship, simplicity, and delight. She explained, the color palette is curated to complement all iPhone models, allowing users to create unique combinations. It's a clever, extra pocket that's practical, stylish, and unmistakably Apple. The iPhone Pocket launches on November 14th in select Apple Store locations and online in countries including the US, UK, France, Japan, South Korea, and more. It's designed for users who want something beyond a regular phone case, something that integrates tech into fashion in a fun, thoughtful way. So, what do you think? Is the iPhone Pocket the next must-have Apple accessory, or just a quirky experiment? Would you wear your iPhone as part of your outfit, or stick to traditional cases? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Apple news.